Dad, good day! Share the secret of fishing for free.
Yeah, I have nothing. Just give it to me. Oh! Oh! All good. Grandpa sold me some mastiriki.
I gave him 20 rubles.
20 rubles, he says, cool. How can you not love fishing? Yes! How can you not love nature?
I pulled it for the beauty. We caught a lot.
Thank you.
Hey guys, hello, hi everyone.
Today we with the gang went out to the Seversky Donets River. Tear it! Fish with a float correctly!
Jack, it's my first time here.
A few words: shock fishing, bream.
Bream, cauldron, roach, I mean all river fish, Grey Ivanovich. It's a nice spot.
A great spot. I made some adjustments here. Once I was passing by on a little boat, watching the fast fish. The factories are really beautiful here.
Interesting.
Interesting. It's just interesting. If you go by kayak, it's really beautiful. Got it. The trip is great.
That's it.
So we're trying, right?
Let's go for the gear, guys. And we will take our fishing rods and start fishing. The river here is narrow, with a fast current. This place is unusual for me when it comes to fishing. I'm used to a wider river. But here there's a small cove, and you don't have to cast the float far because the depth here is quite short. The morning starts. We forgot the bait. Yeah, well, it's okay. We have some bait. Let's go. Guys, we're unpacking the guide and even filming a bit. Careful with the stool. You definitely need to treat the area for mosquitoes and ticks because I can feel there are plenty of them here, guys, just so many. This place is good, but such a place is always famous.
Bream.
I have a little bait left from the last fishing trip. So, Sergei Ivanovich, Shuka show you throw your stones to.
Look what's coming. Here come peas, corn, wheat.
Porridge, just like always, Ivanovich. It's a bomb. Pour everything in here. Now let's mix it all up with this, right, Sergei Ivanovich? Let's cast. In one herd, so to speak. Oh.
For completely different fish.
Friends, even though it's a windy morning, we hope to catch something today, because the Seversky Donets River is unpredictable. Sometimes the fish bite well, and other times you can go home with a big zero. All right, let's go fishing. Wow. I cast with the pearl barley and immediately start observing. Along the reeds. There is old LCD.
Size noticeable.
Yeah, well, it's okay. We'll try for the big ones. Throwing branches around is messy. It's really in the way. Very slippery. Got dirty. The guy's tramp his pedals. The wind got wild. It seems like it's about 8 meters now, exactly, because look at the water and see what's going on. Fishing in this weather is really uncomfortable, but nevertheless, we weighted the floats a bit more. They are standing here with us, as if rooted to the spot, and the bite will still be visible to Zheka. Probably the worst day for fishing in a whole month. Yeah, for a whole month. Yes, we made it. Sergei Ivanovich is fishing with a feather float.
Hey guys,
The most sensitive float.
look at these floats. That's where the Poxy found it. Look, it's a turbot or something else.
A float rod. What means, Sergei Ivanovich?
Look, guys, plastic. Yeah, it's plastic. It's from the pipe.
Do you see it, guys?
This is it.
What a spelt. Holy moly, Sergei Ivanovich, I've been looking for them for years. Jeka, take a look. Look, guys. They skinned a whole ostrich to make this much. Sergei Ivanovich, class. You know, this is like a gold reserve in our days. Look at how many feather floats there are. Ivanovich, let's go out and fish for crucian carp with these floats.
Yeah. I would like to fish too.
I'll take a float from you. I want to catch a crucian carp. Awesome. He jumped up somewhere. Both holes. There it is. There is bream. Take it to serving. Oh.
Breamcade. But this is better. There were clicks. Times. I just got lucky with the worm. I took a worm and it bit right away. We're sending the net out. Try it. He's not on the stove. It's not coming in. Oops. Oops. Action, damn it! Bistera has approached. Bistera has arrived, Sergei Ivanovich. Oh, Ivanovich. Ha ha ha! Who is that? Perch. Yeah, Perch. Wait for her to help out, and the wound has come. Taranich is also doing fine. Ha ha ha. Guys, we sat for a couple of participants, a couple of fish, and that's it. In short, the weather today is really not great. Yeah, well, what are you talking about? Look, that's it. We want to go now. Sergei Ivanovich knows. It's a nice pond. I'll try to catch some Crucian carp there. Yes, Sergei Ivanovich. Yeah, Crucian carp. Maybe a Crucian carp will at least respond. Guys, look how many plantains there are. I haven't seen them in a long time. There used to be a lot of them, but now there are none at all. And here the plantains are just great. Just like in childhood, we used to spit on them just like that. To the sore knee, and that's it. Guys, in short, you still won't do anything for a Crucian carp. Just look at the branches we have to drive through. Just... My field, my dear. Yeah, Sergei Ivanovich, who brought us here. He started it. Susanin... Yeah. Susanin led us here. Take two, so to speak, friends. All right, be careful over there. Let's grab our stuff and head out for the Crucian carp again. The pond is nice. It's a big pond. We'll show you everything now. Don't use your hands. So, friends, we've set up all the rods, cast them out, and fed the fish. Now we're waiting for the Crucian carp. Is this going to be a Crucian carp pond or not? Not looking good. The guys have grown up too. It's been about 20 minutes. We haven't had a single bite, and it started to rain, while the guys on the other side are slowly pulling in their lines. We shouted a couple of times at the bait on the hook. Right now, I think I'm going to jump in the car and head over there to beg them for some dough bait. What can I do? I'll have to buy some. That's how it goes sometimes. You sit there, fishing, and you've got both maggots and worms. And that's it. And on that day, they only bite on the Van Ochka dough bait. That happens sometimes. What's wrong with the fish? Yeah. And they're actually getting bites over there. Although one guy went home and the other is catching fish on a rubber bait. So guys, I decided to go over to the guy, buy some dough bait from him, and ask what the secret to fishing is, because I just don't get it. Look at how much gear and bait we have, and yet nothing is biting. I met him on the way in the field. A beautiful horse. How can you not love fishing, right? How can you not love nature? What a handsome guy. Right now it seems like I'm getting close. I'm pulling up. Just need to find out where the guy is sitting across from us and see how the fishing is going. Badia, good day. Share the secret. Fishing is paid. For a fee? Now that's what I understand. Bite. And everything is on the dough bait. Until it bites normally. From the depth of the line or from the thickness of the bottom? Thicker. From the bottom? Sell the trowels, seriously. Do you have any? We have semolina, maggots, and bloodworms. We have everything, but nothing is biting. Either it's the spot, or the fish just don't want to take it. Well, what can I say? The spot is terrible. Yeah, but they were biting better in the morning. Same here. Guys, did you catch anything? One. Well, about buying, I will definitely buy the dough bait. So for this spot, the dough bait is the best option. Really, all time on dough bait. Since early morning. but it was better. Same about the normal ones, and there are different ones for the Crucian carp. Good, and they weren't fed. Yeah, wow, what a. At least chew it yourself, right? At least chew it yourself. Just symbolically for a bottle of beer. And when I get there, I won't give them anything, and I'll be the one fishing. Got it. Let's see what they have for us. That's it. Thank you once again. So there's the bait bomb. Everything will be great, I hope. Guys, I'm heading back to the guys and it's raining. Can you imagine? It came down really nice. So the weather has changed quite a bit, but at least we have the bait. There is a paste, and we hope that now we will spread this Karakaziyablik. Nasturka's grandfather sold me a Crucian carp. For 20 rubles, I gave him 20 rubles. He says, "Cool," I say. "It will be great." He says, "Only she bites here. Now we will try it in battle. Just don't lose it." Just make sure to take a jacket, guys. Here's a little piece of bait, and we're fishing with it. Whoa. Look at you, handsome. Check out how cute you are. Cute. Cute, cute little Crucian carp. Look how nice he is. Oh, wow. What a chunky one. I'm going to call him Gavriusha. Whoa, look at that chunky one. I'm going to call him Gavriusha. Gavriusha. Let's go to the net. Let's get the net. Look, a nice chunky Gavriusha. What a beauty. Yeah, things are heating up. He's waiting. He just kind of leaned in and is waiting. Yes. Yes, Ilya Ivanovich. Oh, where is he?
To be continued. Stay tuned for more.
Nice one. A shovel. Another one, right? Well, that's pretty decent.
Yeah, that's definitely bigger. We fed him, right? We fed him, and he grew.
Yeah, in 2 hours we've got half a kilo. Super. Guys, it's raining again. He's here one moment, gone the next, right, Sergey Ivanovich? The weather is quite changeable, you know? I started casting a little further and it's nibbling. Both. I have a bite now. Both! He left. Yeah. The master of the glasses is here. The master of the glasses. Ha 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 ha. I've made some bait. So guys, here's the deal. Look, the Crucian carp is biting on the bait. 50 rubles. I'm selling a ball of bait. I bought it myself. What did you want? Jeka, look, a Crucian carp. Oh, this one's still a juvenile. Show it.
Tribute to the big Leonid Vasilievich.
Oh, hop in a bit. Here it is, come on. Love. Here it is, love. Here it is, love. All right. That's what it is. All right, come here. Good, yeah. Big fish of the day coming out. It's grown, you see, we fed it, it's grown. Fish of the day before it becomes raw. Big fish is good, such. It has grown. You just need to feed it a bit more, right? Wait longer, the fish grows. Right before your eyes. Good, like a hat. Sergey Ivanovich. Guys, but if everything is like this, well, it will just fit right into the hat. Yeah. Here comes the bait again. Cast.
I can't see someone. Oh.
Come here. Come. Here, buddy. I caught it, yes.
He quickly caught it.
Ivanovich. Caught it this time. I'm giving it back. Come on. So guys, we came to grab a bite, and as always, like always, Peter. Always Peter. In general, guys, we had a snack. Everything was great. Let's munch on this now, and then it's back to the fight for the Crucian carp.
So far, everything's good. I haven't caught a can yet.
Both on the series, Ivanovich pulled it. It's beautiful.
Crucian carp, right? Ivanich Pokerti. At the master point? Yeah. But to bring in the Crucian carp, that's the song. Sergey clarified. Luck is on the way. Look, Jeka. The rod is gone. Got it? Lyrical siren. The rod is gone. You saw that, right? Darby, Darby, Darby. The rod got pulled away, like a train going full speed. Yeah, like a little train or something. Ivanovich was still there. You even caught it. Yeah. It took off though.
Right here. Bandit. Crucian carp, bandit. That's it.
We need to catch some fish.
We started eating. As always, the fish are biting. Friends, the fishing trip has come to an end. We caught a lot. Everything was great. Sergey Ivanovich, 2 words. How do you like it?
Well, honestly, the fishing is great. Not in a slump. I want to say it honestly and openly.
The weather isn't good.
Not that. So he kind of just went pop. He spat. Bad.
But were they biting on?
Well, I've tried everything. So here's the chatter, pearl barley. The best of all, pearl barley is a 0. The pearl barley didn't work. Not a single one worked. So here's the paste, the chatter.
Jeka, the paste is the best. The best of all. On the other side, Dad sold me over the phone. He says right now.
But no results.
Dad, thanks for the paste. Oh! Thank you so much. We caught some. Thank you. Oh, thank you very much. So, Jack, where are you going with that? I hope they haven't already gotten away. I don't think they got away. What we caught today? Ooh. Oh! Well, there are some good Crucian carp here. Hold this.
Hold.
One by one like seeds. Yes. As they say, Sergey Ivanovich, and well, the exit is normal. Yes, look, what excellent fish. Just Crucian carp, guys. I really want it. Good luck to you all. No tail, no scales. May you always get a bite. The main thing is to know. And the main thing, you know, we don't go fishing just for the fish. I go fishing for the experience. And I also want to add that if the fish aren't biting, change your spot. That's the right thing to do. Jeka, try in a new spot because you saw how much we were circling around today, riding around until we found it. Have you found what it's really worth? What is it really worth?
We had some good bites on the Crucian carp. We saw some nice bites, but over there, well, it was all small. We didn't catch anything, but we'll go back there and give it another try.